Welcome to Carolina Business Today's Video Minute, The Goal. This is probably the most important step of the creative process. Now, in the previous video, I stated we want the viewer to think of us as a trusted partner, to rely on us to solve their problem or fulfill their need, and to feel we are sincere and truthful. To do this, we need a goal which answers the questions: what do you want the viewer to think, do, and feel after watching our video? To help answer these questions, we need to put ourselves back in our customer's shoes and imagine using our product or service. What was their buying experience? How did the features we offer benefit them? Our goal dictates every element we produce in our video story. If an element in our story does not support our goal, leave it out. The audience, message, and goal will help us in the next step of the creative process, choosing the right type of video. Thank you for watching Carolina Business Today's Video Minute. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues, and may you all have a blessed day.